how do I approach keyword research specifically for Amazon PPC campaigns? When it comes down to keyword research, it's really important to understand the scope of each keyword within a campaign. So there can be keywords that are more broader, that are describing your product. Here, an example, just prepared for myself, some yummy lemonade. For example, if someone would look up this particular glass, I would call it a glass jar with bamboo lid. That is the broadest thing that they could find, yet it's highly describing your product. Or even make it even broader, it could be glass jar. Glass jar is super broad, right? It can be the mason jars that have glass jar. It can be this jar, it's exactly describing my product. It can be other types of a jar. It can be a big jar, it can be a small jar. So glass jar itself is the broadest way how you would describe this product. Next, it's going to be keywords that are highly relevant to your product. For example, it's going to be the glass jar with bamboo lid and glass straw. This is exactly describing my product. Keep in mind that right now what I'm looking for is an exact match keyword that can highly define whatever someone would look for whenever they're typing that search term within Amazon. That's why I'm saying this would be a longer tail keyword that someone would look for your product and find your product or products very similar to it. Now, the third type, it can be branded keyword. Okay, so third one, it's going to be branded keyword. Now, let's say this is Scale Wave brand. Let's call it Scale Wave brand. Say that this is a Scale Wave glass jar. Now here, as you can see, just because I mentioned Scale Wave and even if the second keyword is our broadest keyword, glass jar, just because I put the word Scale Wave in front, it is related to my brand. In that case, someone else is looking especially for my brand, for my product on Amazon. And yes, here it can also be Scale Wave, glass jar with bamboo lid, and with glass straw, which is super long, it's actually a phrase. They can also look up with that specific wording, my product, and they will still find my product if I'm advertising for it. So as you can see, right now we aimed to go from the broadest thing that is describing your product to the most specific thing that it's describing your product. Why am I sharing with you this and why I answered in more depth when it comes down to keyword research is because the way how we like to approach keyword research when it comes down to brands that we manage at Scale with is making sure that first off we understand, does the brand already have demand on Amazon for their own keywords? And right now people are looking for our products, yet they are not finding it. First thing that we're going to focus on, we already have warm audience that is looking for us and they are not converting, and might also be that someone else from our competitors are showcasing their listings whenever they are looking for our branded terms. Then it's going to be very important for us, especially if we have outside traffic that is coming towards us, and when they are looking for us, competitor is pushing their product, that we are going to be the first one showing up. The second is going to be exact match, that they are highly relevant to whatever we sell. And then the third one is going to be broader match, which is more on the discovery campaign side.